Hey everyone! Many cars support Android Auto or Apple CarPlay but still require you to plug in your phone every time. It's inconvenient and adds wear to your charging port. Wireless adapters solve that. Plug one into your car's USB port and your phone connects automatically. No cables needed. I tested the top options for speed, reliability, and ease of use. Here are the 9 best wireless CarPlay and Android Auto adapters. Let's dive in. Starting at number 9, we have the AutoSky Wireless CarPlay and Android Auto Adapter. My pick for the best multimedia adapter. The AutoSky Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto Adapter links your phone to your car stereo, enhancing your driving experience with convenience and hands-free functionality. It's designed to work harmoniously with over 600 vehicle models, ensuring smooth integration with your car's system. Setting up and utilizing this device is simple. It even includes a USB-A to USB-C cable for vehicles equipped with USB-C ports. AutoSky provides regular online software updates, guaranteeing that you're always equipped with the latest features and improvements. You can also access YouTube and Netflix using a mobile hotspot, or you can watch your own content via the SD card slot. That multimedia capability is a nice bonus. It's at number 9 because the compatibility with 600+ vehicle models is impressive. Regular software updates keep it current. At number 8, we've got the Lavier CarPlay touchscreen with 4K dash cam. My pick for the best all-in-one option. The Lavier touchscreen is another great option if you own an older vehicle. What sets this screen apart from others on our list is that it adds a 4K dash cam and a reverse camera. In most cases, any older vehicle that lacks a touchscreen display and slash or Android Auto and Apple CarPlay connectivity will also lack a backup camera and almost certainly a forward-facing dashboard camera. A single device that combines a touchscreen display, wireless CarPlay, a backup camera, and a front-facing dashcam is a huge value. It also simplifies your dashboard by consolidating what would otherwise be 2 or 3 devices. It's at number 8 because the all-in-one approach combining a touchscreen wireless CarPlay, a 4K dashcam, and a reverse camera is genuinely valuable for older vehicles. Consolidating multiple devices simplifies the dashboard. Coming in at number 7 is the Tyran Wireless CarPlay Adapter, my pick for best reviewed. This little adapter from Tyran is a discreet, no-frills solution for those seeking wireless connectivity for Apple CarPlay, and has received thousands of 5-star user reviews, for what that's worth. Setup is straightforward plug-and-play into your car's USB port, eliminating the need for extra software, a companion app, or system updates. The device will store your preferences and will automatically connect whenever your car is turned on, with only a slight lag in performance time. It's at number 7 because the thousands of 5-star reviews indicate widespread user satisfaction. Straightforward plug-and-play setup is genuinely easy. No extra software or apps are required, simplifying use. Automatic connection when the car starts is convenient, but the slight performance lag and lack of standout features beyond basics keep it from ranking higher. At number 6, we have the AutoCast Wireless CarPlay AI Box Nano, my pick for best CarPlay accessory. The AutoCast Wireless CarPlay AI Box Nano is less a simple adapter and more a tiny thrill ride for your dash. The kind of fun, over-the-top accessory that turns everyday commuting into a tech-forward indulgence. Plug it in and you're not just going wireless. You're unlocking a full Android 13-powered interface with app support, streaming, split-screen multitasking, onboard storage, and an AI assistant. It effectively transforms your factory head unit into a mini entertainment hub. The Nano is for drivers who enjoy a little extravagance in their cockpit, who see the value in scrolling Spotify, checking weather radar, or queuing up a podcast, all on a more capable, customizable system. It's at number 6 because the full Android 13 interface goes way beyond basic wireless CarPlay. Number 5 brings us the car and driver Intelladash Pro X10, my pick for the best adapter for older vehicles. Some CarPlay adapters bring the convenience of smart car technology to vehicles that never had that luxury. An upgrade over the smaller 7-inch Intelladash, The Intelladash Pro X10 is a 10-inch touchscreen display that wirelessly integrates Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. It offers easy navigation with large icons and supports Bluetooth, FM transmitter, AUX input, and AV in for multimedia. The system supports voice control, navigation, music streaming, smart assistant features, and hands-free calling. The Pro X10 is ideal for those with older vehicles or those without a modern screen capable of displaying your phone's apps. In testing, it blended in well with rounded 90s-style dashboards and made accessing apps like Maps and Spotify particularly easy. It's at number 5 because the 10-inch touchscreen brings modern functionality to older vehicles that never had it. At number 4, we've got the AutoCast A2 Air Pro Android Auto Wireless Adapter. The AutoCast A2 Air Pro nails what a wireless CarPlay/Android Auto adapter should be: a plug-in magic wand that instantly transforms your wired head unit into a hands-free, set-and-forget command center. From the moment you plug it into the car's USB port, the A2 Air Pro uses 5 GHz Wi-Fi plus Bluetooth handshake to automatically and reliably connect your phone each time you hop in. It's compact, discreet, and minimalist enough to tuck out of sight, yet robust enough to handle long commutes, road trips, or daily use without hiccups. If you want wireless CarPlay or Android Auto done right, stable as a wired connection, seamless every time, and with zero fuss, the A2 Air Pro delivers the most balanced mix of reliability, ease of use, and build quality, hands down. It's at number 4 because the reliability and repeatable stability are genuinely impressive. Coming in at number 3 is the Carlo X Air, my pick for the best adapter for streaming fans. The $169 Carlo X Air has a unique look, like a little Hot Wheels racer. It supports both Android and iOS, plus offers a few extras, namely wireless streaming from YouTube, Netflix, and Hulu from your devices. The ads say Carlo X Air is lag-free, and it does feel a little faster than most adapters tested. The Carlo X Air is a more affordable alternative to pricier options and also supports not only streaming services, but also most apps on the Google Play Store. That app support significantly expands functionality. It's at number 3 because the wireless streaming from YouTube, Netflix, and Hulu is genuinely useful for passengers. Support for Google Play Store apps expands functionality significantly. Feels faster than most competitors with minimal lag, both Android and iOS support. For streaming and app enthusiasts, this delivers exceptional value at $169. At number 2, we have the Motorola MA1, my pick for best affordable adapter for Android Auto. This is a dongle from 2 big-name companies. The first is Motorola, specifically the Motorola Sound Division. The second is that Moto claims this is the first wireless adapter for Android Auto to feature technology designed by Google. The Motorola MA1 doesn't have a terrible price, though you can pay much the same for units that support both Android and iOS/CarPlay. It resembles a Google Chromecast with an integrated short USB-A cable. The phone connection is done over 5 GHz Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. Phones have to support Android 11 or higher. The Motorola MA1 is regularly discounted by up to half, making it a cost-effective option for Android phone owners. A button on the right-hand side of the adapter allows you to switch between 2 paired Android devices with a single press. It's at number 2 because the technology designed by Google ensures excellent Android Auto compatibility. For Android users specifically, this is the best value. And finally, at number 1 is the AutoCast U2 Air. This is the best wireless CarPlay adapter for people who share a car, and here's why. AutoCast states that the U2 Air is compatible with over 600 car models from 2016 onward, except for certain Sony aftermarket head units. Its boot time is rated at 18 seconds, and it defaults to 5 GHz Wi-Fi. The stylish-looking U2 Air, by dongle standards, is easy to set up. It includes a 12-inch USB-A to USB-C cable plus a USB-C to USB-C cable. Once the iPhone connects via Bluetooth, the phone takes over the screen. It supports multiple iPhones, which is crucial for families or couples sharing a car. You can access the U2 Air's settings via an IP address typed into the browser on your iPhone. It's at number 1 because the multi-iPhone support is genuinely valuable for shared vehicles. For iPhone users sharing cars, the AutoCast U2 Air is simply the best choice. Alright, that's the top 9 wireless CarPlay and Android Auto adapters of 2026. Wireless adapters make daily driving easier. Just get in and connect. Choose based on your phone, car setup, and whether you want simple connectivity or extra features like streaming. Drop a comment, like, and subscribe for more honest automotive tech reviews, and I'll see you in the next one.